It's amazing how he sang this song, and especially it's a very difficult song to sing. Actually, he's done it a great job. So I think kudos to him.
Vande Mataram is really special in a lot of ways, actually. It's the feeling so many people come together, 150 people come together and they make a song. And it's our tribute to our armed forces and our frontline workers who have worked so hard to keep us safe. Tiger is really popular with kids, not just kids, everybody, but I think the kind of people, small kids look at him very aspirationally, He can dance so well, he carries himself so well, he's so well mannered. And plus, his film Flying Jet was loved by all kids. He was a superhero in the film.
15th August, 26th January.
Yeah.
These were the days for us. These were not like any other day or this thing. This were like festivals. That's true.
Right.
There used to be a lot of these essay competitions and dance competition and singing and everything. So it was a big moment for us. So yeah, 15th August was very special for us.
So congratulations, Remo, for the massive success of Vande Mataram. Views are been increasing by the day, and it continues to trend on YouTube. So what sort of reactions have you been getting?
Reactions are amazing, and actually it's a teamwork which has done this amazing job. It's everyone's hard work, and reactions are amazing, and I always get this a different feeling whenever I do a patriotic song, because I'm from defense background, so हमारे खून में है वो, तो already there is amazing feeling to it, and doing these kind of song, and especially with Tiger, it's an amazing experience.
Yes. In fact, I was in fact going through some of the reactions, that are available on YouTube. And people have been saying that, they love the song because it exudes a very different vibe. It has a very healing impact. People have been getting goosebumps after watching
Yes.
the video. So that
Yes.
sort of really explains the impact, that
Yes.
the video has left. But Tiger Shroff, as a singer, for the first time, he's venturing into Hindi playback
Yeah.
singing. He has
Yeah.
done 2 tracks earlier,
Yeah.
but this time, for the first time, we see Tiger Shroff as a Hindi singer.
Yeah, it's amazing because Jackie was making me hear the song. I said half the song I didn't understand कि कौन है. I was like, must be a good singer. मतलब कौन singer. And then beach में जाके I realized, oh, it's Tiger. And then I said, yeah, damn good. It's amazing how he sang this song, and especially it's a very difficult song to sing actually, and he's done it a great job. So I think kudos to him and the music director Vishal. Yes.
Right. So, since you've choreographed, you directed the song, what exactly was the entire experience like? How long did it take you to, have the entire song ready?
So the day I got the song, I gave it to my team, Rahul and everyone. They came together, and we actually choreographed it, and then we shot the song. So it's basically, and because of COVID, we had a lot of this issue that we can't get. I wanted more dancers, but we had to stick to only 50, and everyone was vaccinated, everyone was tested, and on the set also everything was proper, and we didn't do anything the way we used to shoot. It was a new kind of a shoot which we actually did on this. So after COVID, actually this was the first song which I shot like all out with dances and everything. So yeah.
Yes. And we've watched the song, we've loved the steps. I mean, when it comes to Remo's choreography, come on, yeah, it has to be loved, it has to be adored. And for me, I think that chakra,
Yes,
when he
there's
does the
a-
chakra
yes.
bit, I think that bit is amazing.
Yes.
Absolutely flawless, the entire song. But tell me, what were the biggest moments for you from the song, and while choreographing Tiger? It's always fascinating, right, to have Tiger. This is like
Yes,
you
yes,
covered
yes.
him earlier. Yes.
With Tiger, it's not like what you think new. It's like how much more I can push myself to do something different. And when I push myself, I know that he's going to do it better than what I was thinking. So that is there. And moment wise, there was a lot of moment. Actually, in fact, the whole song, the way it starts and the way it finishes. Every moment in the song is very special for me because every step or every lyrics, every shots was very close to me and very what do you say? It made an impact to me.
So it's
Yeah,
not just school functions where the song would be, played, but also at all reality dance shows. Yeah, I'm sure every
yes,
kid would be performing to this
yes.
song because it has such a
Yeah.
strong patriotic vibe. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, absolutely. And the last patriotic vibe, which was in my film only ABCD2, the Vande Mataram, which we had. And after that, I used to see every college, school, every function in the building, or every 15 August or 26 January, we had this song playing. But now we have a new one, Tiger's Vande Mataram. So actually, and everyone needed one at this point. कि ये कुछ नया आ जाए and then we'll do this. So yeah, this one is going to
So,
be a new one.
so,
Yes.
Vishal, tell us, what a beautiful team, this is. You
Mhm.
have Remo, you have Tiger Shroff, there's you. So,
Yeah.
what were the biggest takeaways for you, with such a big, interesting, and impressive collaboration?
See, with Remosa, it's like homecoming for me all the time when he does something. Whatever we have done together, uh, from race to Rafta to this, it's been like homecoming, and it's a celebration of sorts. I'm so glad that Vande Mataram has been received so well. This is Tiger's first song that he has sung in Hindi. So it was a challenge for me to make sure that he sounds at his absolute best, and I'm so glad that people are loving the song. And I just hope that this love keeps on pouring on the song and everybody related to it. He's the most hardworking person that I've worked with, and I think it's just not about singing. In any field that he ventures into, he'll be like that. It's a trait that he has. He's really hardworking, and he's definitely special in a lot of ways. And I'm so glad I did my first film with him, Munna Michael. And that track Pyaro became so big. I sang that song, and I'm so glad that we're coming back. We came back in Muskurai Ka India. It became a viral rage, and now this Vande Mataram we are collaborating. And I had a great time working with him, and I think all my music team and the team that was training him also. A big round of applause should go for them as well. Vande Mataram is really special in a lot of ways. Actually, it's the feeling so many people come together, 150 people come together, and they make a song. And it's our tribute to our armed forces and our frontline workers who have worked so hard to keep us safe. And no matter what you do, it's everything is less. But this is just an effort to say thank you to all the people that work 24/7 just to keep all of us safe. And this is our dedication to everyone out there. And I'm so glad that it's been loved. And I think this emotion, this patriotism, we all are Indians, and I think that is a string that connects all of us. And the feeling of Indianness is what is special about it. So I'm so glad that people are liking this song. Tiger is really popular with kids, not just kids, everybody, but I think the kind of people, small kids look at him very aspirationally.
Do you have any memories associated with Independence Day as a kid?
As a
Of course.
kid, yeah, Vishal, you want to go first or like?
No, please, sir, please, you speak.
So as a kid, 15 August was very special for me, especially because I was from Air Force School, and defense, Air Force, and everything comes together. So we know that Independence Day, 15th August ko हमारे there used to be chopper coming and dropping sweets, all that memories we had. And ऐसे I know for a long time we did a lot of essay on Indira Gandhi ji. So I remember that one leader who मतलब हमारे दिलो दिमाग में छाए हुए थे तब से, and she was amazing. And yeah, that was my memory because uh, as a defense kid, all these special moments like 15th August, 26th January,
Yeah.
these were the days for us. These were not like any other day or this thing. This were like festivals at school.
Right.
There used to be a lot of these essay competitions and dance competitions and singing and everything. So it was a big moment for us. So, yeah, 15th August was very, very special for us.
And for you, Vishal?
For me, the high was to get a laddu every time 15th August and 26th January happened. The place that I come from, there were no choppers there. Nobody. The high was getting biscuits and laddus,
Yeah.
and the whole day used to go in this planning, how will we get 2 laddus?
Thank you so much for
Thank you
joining
so
us and
much.
giving us your time.
Thank you,
Thank
Baba. Thank you.